Bharatamada College of Commerce and Arts, Chundi, Alua, is a self-finance college run by the Archdiocese of Ernakulam Angamali. Lighting the flame of passion in the students, we aim to equip the young generation with personal and professional excellence, as well as social commitment to meet the global challenges through continuous teaching, training programs, and value-based activities, thereby bringing satisfaction to the stakeholders of the institution.
We have a greenish and beautiful campus located at Chundi, Alua, which is easily accessible from different places. BMCCA stands for the overall developments of our students. We constantly strive for their welfare, to fulfill their aspirations and goals, and also to mold them as the best citizens of India. Ours is a team of dedicated and scholarly faculty members who are well experienced and exposed in the field of academics. Our duties is to deliver result-oriented and outcome-based education to the learner by constantly updating learning and teaching environment in our campus.
Department of Computer Science of BMCCA has maintained a great repute since its inception in 2015, and it has been consistent in its performance. We offer a 6-semester BCA program, and it is my privilege to mention that the average pass percentage of the department is higher than the average pass percentage of the university. The seasoned faculty and the infrastructure, including well-equipped computer labs, ensure enriching sessions to the students. The fair placement record itself speaks for the excellence of the department. We have a very active alumni network, and most of them are working with leading multinational companies now. This adds glory to the department and motivates all of us to go that extra mile for our students.
Department of Management of BMCCA have a well-qualified faculty members having both industrial and teaching experience. The objective of the department is to prepare students to turn up entrepreneurial and managerial roles. Students get an opportunity to interact with the industrial leaders and eminent personalities of different disciplines. The department organizes career guidance seminars and facilitate them to help in placement.
The Department of English and Other Languages has been functional since the inception of the college. The program offered us BA English Literature and Communication Studies Model 3 Double Main. The Double Main course offers equal importance to literature and journalism. Apart from the 6-semester project, mandatory internship, add-on programs, placement training, and regular workshop ensures the students up more hands-on learning. The hands-on training in journalism will give a platform for the students to acquire media exposure during their academic years. The department also ensures that while the students surge ahead in the high-tech world, they remain grounded in core values and ethics.
Bharatamada College of Commerce and Arts is offering a 3-year degree undergraduate course in BCom Finance and Taxation. Keeping educational scenario as the background, our focus is imparting skills for professional competence and specialized knowledge to become chartered accountant, cost accountant, financial advisors, tax consultant, risk managers, actuaries, and entrepreneurs. The subjects taught are banking, finance, cost accounting, taxation, law, and commerce. All the subjects have a major role to play in the financial sector of our economy. Apart from this, we offer a 1-year certificate add-on program in Tally, which enhances the employability skills of the students. Students can also pursue higher education in the field of banking, commerce, law, tax like MBA, cost account, chartered accountant, ACS, LLB, MCOM, etc. We, the department, is fully well equipped with experienced teachers who mold the students into socially responsible citizens.
BCom Marketing is a 3-year undergraduate program offered by Mahatma Gandhi University. This program helps the students to achieve professional careers in the field of marketing. In BMCCA, we are providing complementary courses in addition to the subjects of marketing are customer relationship marketing, service marketing, marketing management,
entrepreneurship development and project management, advertising and sales promotion, etc. If a student wants to continue his studies after BCom marketing, they can go for MCom courses, MBA in marketing, MBA in logistics, MBA in supply chain management, etc. And if a student wants to find job after his graduation, he can be selected as customer relationship manager, service managers, and of course marketing executives, market research analyst, etc. In our department in BMCCA, we are conducting many webinars in relation to the subjects we are studying in BCom marketing. And of course, we are nurturing many entrepreneurs in our department, especially the women entrepreneurs. And last year, we conducted marketing games and including intercollegiate fest in our department. So I think marketing is a very good career option for students who are seeking professional excellence in the field of marketing.
Department of Commerce Computer Application is offering the course BCom Computer Application. BCom Computer Application, in fact, is a unique course. It is unique in the sense that it provides an opportunity to our students to learn some computer related papers along with their usual commerce papers. Our students are learning subjects including computerized accounting, IT for business, IT for office, etc. along with the normal commerce papers. And it provides them a great opportunity when it comes to placements and higher education.
From this academic year onwards, that is 2021 onwards, we are starting 2 new courses, Bachelor in Social Work BSW and MCom in Finance and Taxation. So hearty welcome to BMCCA Chundi Aluva to enjoy a fruitful, responsible and dynamic campus life. Thank you.